Do you ever struggle to sound confident in business English? You're not alone. This video will help you fix that, step by step. Welcome to this business English practice video. Here's how it works. First, I'll say the phrase clearly. Then, you'll hear a simple explanation so you understand the meaning. Finally, the phrase will be repeated 2 more times so you can shadow, repeat out loud, and practice your pronunciation. By listening carefully, you'll learn the correct way to pronounce each phrase. Repetition trains your brain to remember naturally. Listening again and again makes the phrases sink into your subconscious mind, and speaking out loud builds your confidence and fluency. So don't just listen. Repeat with me every time. Shadow the phrases, copy the pronunciation, and practice until it feels natural. Ready? Let's get started with today's business English phrases.
Please close the window.
Can mean a literal window or computer window.
Please close the window.
Please close the window.
Good morning.
A polite way to greet colleagues before noon.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
A common way to ask about someone's well-being.
How are you today?
How are you today?
Nice to meet you.
Used when meeting someone for the first time.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Please take a seat.
Invite someone to sit down politely.
Please take a seat.
Please take a seat.
Good morning.
A polite way to greet colleagues before noon.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Can I ask a question?
Used to request permission to ask something.
Can I ask a question?
Can I ask a question?
I don't understand.
A simple way to say you need clarification.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Could you repeat that?
Politely asks someone to say something again.
Could you repeat that?
Could you repeat that?
Could you speak slowly?
Useful when English is spoken too fast.
Could you speak slowly?
Could you speak slowly?
Thank you very much.
A polite way to show gratitude.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
I really appreciate it.
Expresses strong thanks for help.
I really appreciate it.
I really appreciate it.
Sorry for the delay.
Apologizing when something is late.
Sorry for the delay.
Sorry for the delay.
Please send me an email.
A polite request for written communication.
Please send me an email.
Please send me an email.
Excuse me.
Used to politely get attention.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Let's start the meeting.
Used to officially begin a meeting.
Let's start the meeting.
Let's start the meeting.
Can we talk later?
Requests to postpone the conversation.
Can we talk later?
Can we talk later?
I'll check and let you know.
Promises to find information and share it later.
I'll check and let you know.
I'll check and let you know.
I'll get back to you.
Another way to say you'll reply later.
I'll get back to you.
I'll get back to you.
I'll do it right away.
Shows readiness to act quickly.
I'll do it right away.
I'll do it right away.
Please wait a moment.
Asks someone to wait politely.
Please wait a moment.
Please wait a moment.
It's almost done.
Indicates that the work is nearly finished.
It's almost done.
It's almost done.
I'm working on it.
Means you are currently handling the task.
I'm working on it.
I'm working on it.
Can you help me?
A simple way to ask for assistance.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
I need your opinion.
Ask someone to share what they think.
I need your opinion.
I need your opinion.
That's correct.
Confirms something is right.
That's correct.
That's correct.
That's not correct.
Politely says something is wrong.
That's not correct.
That's not correct.
Let's try again.
Encourages repeating something to improve.
Let's try again.
Let's try again.
Please write it down.
Requests that someone makes a note.
Please write it down.
Please write it down.
Here is the document.
A simple way to give someone a file.
Here is the document.
Here is the document.
Please read this.
A polite instruction to go through text.
Please read this.
Please read this.
I'll explain in a moment.
Promises to give details shortly.
I'll explain in a moment.
I'll explain in a moment.
Thanks for waiting.
Shows appreciation for someone's patience.
Thanks for waiting.
Thanks for waiting.
Please continue.
Encourages someone to keep speaking.
Please continue.
Please continue.
Can you help me?
A simple way to ask for assistance.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
That sounds good.
Shows agreement with an idea.
That sounds good.
That sounds good.
I agree with you.
A polite way to say you share the same opinion.
I agree with you.
I agree with you.
I don't agree.
A simple way to express disagreement.
I don't agree.
I don't agree.
I think so too.
Expresses agreement with someone's opinion.
I think so too.
I think so too.
Can you help me?
A simple way to ask for assistance.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
I have a different opinion.
Politely says you think differently.
I have a different opinion.
I have a different opinion.
Let's take a short break.
Suggests stopping work for a few minutes.
Let's take a short break.
Let's take a short break.
See you tomorrow.
A casual way to say goodbye until the next day.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Have a good day.
A polite farewell wish.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Welcome to the team.
A friendly greeting for a new colleague.
Welcome to the team.
Welcome to the team.
Congratulations.
Used to celebrate someone's success.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Well done.
A short phrase to praise good work.
Well done.
Well done.
Great job.
Another way to give positive feedback.
Great job.
Great job.
I like your idea.
A polite way to praise a suggestion.
I like your idea.
I like your idea.
That's a good point.
Recognizes someone's useful comment.
That's a good point.
That's a good point.
Let's move on.
Suggests going to the next topic.
Let's move on.
Let's move on.
Please confirm.
Asks someone to check and agree.
Please confirm.
Please confirm.
It's urgent.
Means it needs quick action.
It's urgent.
It's urgent.
Please do it today.
A polite but firm deadline request.
Please do it today.
Please do it today.
I'll try my best.
Shows effort and willingness.
I'll try my best.
I'll try my best.
That's all for today.
Used to end a meeting or discussion.
That's all for today.
That's all for today. Can you help me?
A simple way to ask for assistance.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Let's wrap up.
Another way to close a meeting.
Let's wrap up.
Let's wrap up.
Please sign here.
A polite instruction for paperwork.
Please sign here.
Please sign here.
Could you send it now?
A request to share something immediately.
Could you send it now?
Could you send it now?
Please wait for approval.
Tells someone to hold on until it's authorized.
Please wait for approval.
Please wait for approval.
Let's check the details.
Suggests reviewing information carefully.
Let's check the details.
Let's check the details.
I'll make the changes.
promises to edit or fix something.
I'll make the changes.
I'll make the changes.
Please correct this.
Requests someone to fix an error.
Please correct this.
Please correct this.
That's clear.
Means you understand completely.
That's clear.
That's clear.
That's confusing.
Means you don't fully understand.
That's confusing.
That's confusing.
Let's discuss this.
Suggests having a conversation.
Let's discuss this.
Let's discuss this.
I'll think about it.
Means you will decide later.
I'll think about it.
I'll think about it.
Let's decide later.
Suggests postponing a decision.
Let's decide later.
Let's decide later.
Please be on time.
A polite reminder about punctuality.
Please be on time.
Please be on time.
We'll start soon.
A short announcement before beginning.
We'll start soon.
We'll start soon.
Can you open the file?
A request to access a document.
Can you open the file?
Can you open the file?
Turn on the projector.
Instruction for office equipment.
Turn on the projector.
Turn on the projector.
Can you see my screen?
Common in online meetings.
Can you see my screen?
Can you see my screen?
Can you hear me?
Used in video or phone calls.
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
You're on mute.
A reminder to unmute in online calls.
You're on mute.
You're on mute.
Please mute yourself.
A polite way to ask someone to silence their mic.
Please mute yourself.
Please mute yourself.
Let's take turns speaking.
Suggests everyone speaks one by one.
Let's take turns speaking.
Let's take turns speaking.
I'll go first.
Volunteer to start speaking.
I'll go first.
I'll go first.
Your turn.
Invites another person to speak.
Your turn.
Your turn.
One at a time.
A reminder not to talk over each other.
One at a time.
One at a time.
That's important.
Highlights a key point.
That's important. That's important.
That's important.
Let's focus.
Encourages attention to the task.
Let's focus.
Let's focus.
That's not important.
Says something doesn't matter much.
That's not important.
That's not important.
Please pay attention.
Requests careful listening.
Please pay attention.
Please pay attention.
Please keep me informed.
Requests updates on progress.
Please keep me informed.
Please keep me informed.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Simple request for scheduling.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Can we meet tomorrow?
What time is the meeting?
Asking about meeting schedule.
What time is the meeting?
What time is the meeting?
Let's stick to the plan.
Suggests following the agreed path.
Let's stick to the plan.
Let's stick to the plan.
That's all. Thank you.
A polite way to end a conversation or meeting.
That's all. Thank you.
That's all. Thank you.